Before you spend hundreds of dollars on the Midea Duo 14,000 BTU inverter portable air conditioner, there are a few things you need to know. It cools impressively well, but it also has some drawbacks that most reviews barely mention. After using it in a real home, here's what stood out the most. The biggest reason to buy this unit is its cooling performance. Unlike many portable air conditioners, the Midea Duo uses a dual hose-in-one design. Instead of constantly pulling cooled air out of the room like traditional single hose units, it separates the intake and exhaust airflow. This helps the room cool faster while reducing warm air leaks. For rooms up to around 550 square feet, cooling is excellent. Bedrooms, apartments, offices, garages, and living rooms all benefit from its stronger airflow and more consistent temperature control. Another major advantage is the inverter compressor. Instead of constantly turning completely on and off, the compressor adjusts its speed depending on the room temperature. Benefits include more consistent temperatures, less noticeable compressor cycling, quieter operation, better energy efficiency than traditional portable AC units. While it isn't silent, the sound is much smoother than many portable air conditioners. Sleep mode is especially comfortable during the night. The airflow surprised me. The air travels farther than expected, especially with the oscillating air outlet helping distribute cool air throughout the room. Of course, room layout still matters. Furniture, walls, and hallways can reduce how evenly cooling spreads. This version also includes a heat pump. That means it isn't only useful during summer. It works well for cool mornings and mild winter temperatures, but it isn't designed to replace a primary heating system during freezing weather. When using heat mode, expect more condensate, so connecting a drain hose is recommended. Setup is probably the weakest part of this product. The exhaust hose is thick, heavy, stiff, not very flexible. You'll need to position the unit fairly close to the window. The included window kit works, but sealing small gaps with extra foam or weather stripping greatly improves cooling performance. Although it's called portable, don't expect something lightweight. The unit weighs roughly 77 pounds. The wheels make moving it across hardwood or tile easy, but carrying it upstairs or across thick carpet is much harder. Be sure to measure your available floor space before buying. The smart features work well. You can control the unit using smartphone app, remote control, Alexa, Google Assistant. Useful features include remote power on/off, temperature adjustment, scheduling, mode switching. The app is convenient, but the cooling performance remains the main reason to buy this model. Like every portable air conditioner, maintenance matters. For best results, clean the air filter regularly. Run fan mode after cooling to dry the inside. Keep the drain system clean when needed. Doing this helps reduce odors and keeps performance consistent over time. The unit is rated at around 1300 watts. Since it's an inverter model, it doesn't constantly operate at full power once the room reaches the target temperature. That helps reduce energy usage compared to many traditional portable AC units. Things to consider before buying. There are a few downsides worth knowing. Heavy design, bulky hose, window kit could be better, limited 1-year warranty. Proper installation is important for best cooling. The review also notes reports from some users about compressor failures, leaks, plastic parts breaking, and musty odors over time, making it worthwhile to buy from a retailer with a good return policy and keep up with maintenance. Pros: excellent cooling performance, dual hose design improves efficiency, quieter inverter compressor, strong airflow, heating mode included, smart app with Alexa and Google Assistant, good for bedrooms, apartments, and offices. Cons: heavy around 77 ohms, stiff exhaust hose, window kit could seal better, needs regular maintenance, only 1-year warranty. The Midea Duo 14,000 BTU inverter. Portable air conditioner is one of the better performing portable AC units available in 2026. Its dual hose design, inverter compressor, and strong cooling make it an excellent choice for medium-sized rooms where installing a window AC isn't practical. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. It's large, requires careful installation, and benefits from regular maintenance. If you have enough floor space, can place it close to a window, and want quieter, more efficient cooling than a typical portable AC, this model is a strong option.